This video is for all those people out there who are going all in on SoFi stock. And I feel like I want to make this video because I was talking to one of my friends who we bounce ideas off of each other. And he was telling me that he was going all in on SoFi stock. And I was like, wow, that's amazing. I have SoFi stock. I'm not going all in on them, but I have stock in their company and I believe in what they're doing. And I was like, what makes you want to go all in on them? And he was telling me about their products, about what they do, their credit cards, the student loan refinancing, like every single thing. Like this guy knew everything, right? But then I asked him, that's awesome. And how's your account doing? Have you started using their services? And he was like, no. And I was like, what do you mean? And like, I was just like in shock because I was like, dude, you are putting your life savings, like, well, majority, like 80% of your portfolio is going to go into SoFi stock. You're playing this to the core. Like, you got options, you got stock. And like, how do you not, like, how is it possible that you believe in this company and you're going all in, but you don't use their services, dude? That's the biggest slap in the face to SoFi ever, right? Like, how is it that you're an investor in the company, but you don't use them? And I think that I'm wondering, like, how many other people in the community have this mentality where you're all in on SoFi stock, you're pumped about the stock, but you're not using their products. Like, you're hoping someone else is going to use them, but yet you are not using them. And I think that's terrible. I think that if you're a person that's investing in stocks or any company like SoFi, ExxonMobil, or whatever you're investing in, right? Like whatever stock, whatever company, Tattoo Chef, whatever tickles your pickle type of thing, you need to be buying their products. You need to be using the company's products because if not, then what the heck? It makes no sense. You're not helping the company, right? And I kind of want to start off by, I was going to look at their chart. I mean, their chart is actually not, right now it's a little bit hard to look at it. Like, for me personally, all I see is like this downtrend, right? Like it just keeps going down and down and right. Like it's even funny because like right here in this little area, like you can see like it's literally been like in this little channel right here, this little downward channel. Look at this, and it's like bumps here, it goes down, it hits here, it's gonna go down. It looks like, right? So right now we're looking at the daily, right? And it looks like it's, I mean, look, based on the price action, you guys, it looks like this is just gonna go down even more, which honestly really sucks, but it could be a good thing. It could be a good buying opportunity because remember, a lot of people were buying it, right? They bought it at 9, 8, and they wrote it up to 12, $13. So if we take a look at like the technical analysis, and again, not financial advice, you guys, I am not a financial advisor. I have no idea what I'm talking about. This is just a random guy on YouTube talking. It looks like it's gonna go down. Like I'm looking at the pattern, and if this goes down, there's a possibility that it could hit maybe like maybe we could do the 850 again, right? The low, what's the lowest? 52-week low is 882. So we might come back here again, right? It might test maybe the 8s, 760, somewhere around here, and then bounce back up, right? And you know, if you're a long-term investor, then I think it's a good idea to be dollar cost averaging, right? Because right now we're in a market where we don't know. Like right now we're assuming because it's following this pattern that's gonna go down, but there's always a possibility that it could go up, right? So I mean, right now it's looking at it's gonna go down. You know, technical analysis. I know a lot of people don't believe in it, but sometimes it actually works. I mean, if you look at it right now, it's like following this pattern, right? So, and I'm personally going to be loading up more shares, but I'm going to wait a little bit. I'm going to be waiting for it to drop. We're going to see if it keeps dropping because if you guys see this right here today, it opened up at 11:51 and it closed at 10:69, right? It looks like 10:69. It tested 10:61. So right now, it just looks like it's going to keep going down, especially if we look at these bars. Like, look at this. It opened up here and it closed down here. And if it continues tomorrow, it's going to open up around here and just going to keep going down, right? We have to understand a lot of people just traded this. Look at this big bar over here. A lot of people bought it. When it dropped to 885, people were loading the boat, which caused it to go up like, what is it? Almost $2? $2 in one day, which was a huge move, honestly. Like, imagine if you bought 1,000 shares, like you made $2,000 like in one trading day if you were able to buy at the bottom. And again, we're in a market where if you don't risk, then you're not going to make money, right? And if you're scared of buying, look, right now, if you're scared of buying and holding stuff, just trade it. Like, there's nothing wrong with that. I have stuff in my portfolio. I have a trading portfolio and I have my long-term portfolio. And I think if you want to make money, because right now it's so hard, right? Especially with options and all that, the implied volatility is off the roof. The VIX is crazy. So if you just want to trade the shares, I don't think that's bad, you know? I know that the profit's going to be a lot less than trading options, but it gets you started. start it, right? If you're scared of losing money, then you could buy it. And if you mess up, guess what? You can hold it. Especially if you have long-term conviction in the company. If you mess up, you can just hold it, right? But again, not financial advice. You do whatever you think is better for your situation. Don't play around with money that you're going to need, right? Because the stock market is crazy, and right now everything's just, I mean, if it's following this pattern, which it has back here in January 21, it looks like it went up, but then it went down, right? So it's just really, it's tough right now. But, talking about SoFi, you guys, talking back about my friend, I can't believe, like, how, if you guys are investing in SoFi, you need to hurry up and go switch your banking over there, get some credit cards, like, at least start with banking and credit cards, because I feel like that's one of the easiest things you could do. If you look at their products, you guys, they offer so many different things here. Personal loans. You can even invest with them, you guys. Banking, like insurance, auto insurance, life insurance, homeowner. Like, they have so many, like, you guys, this is a one-stop shop for everything. And I think that the next generation is going to love this, because, look, what is this? A wedding loan? I had actually not seen this, but this is really interesting. A wedding loan, you guys. A lot of people right now, I think one of the reasons why we have this housing crisis is because a lot of people in their 30s are buying homes. Obviously, they're getting married. And look at this. SoFi will lend you money so that you can have a nice wedding if that's what you want. And I think this is awesome. Even though I don't know about these interest rates. These interest rates are really, really crazy. Like, I don't know about paying 12%. That's a lot. That's a lot of interest to pay just to have a crazy cool wedding. Like, I know these products are not for everybody, but look at even banking, you guys. Right now, your bank, I'm pretty sure it's not offering you 1% APY, but SoFi is. Like, I think this is good. Me personally, I'm actually in the process of moving my, because I do have a job, right, where I get paid direct deposit. So right now, I'm actually in the process of changing. I actually already put the paperwork in. Maybe I should make a video when I get my first direct deposit, so you guys know I'm not messing around. I actually just put in the paperwork to get all my paychecks deposited into my SoFi account, right? My SoFi banking account. Because I do want to earn that 1% and I do want to support SoFi. I think this is one of the important things. If you're a person that's going long on SoFi, you better be using all these products that they offer. You better be refinancing your loans with SoFi. Your student loans, personal loans, credit card consolidation loans. Like, I know everyone's financial situation is different. I know people out there owe 20 grand in like 5 different credit cards. Why not consolidate them into one, right? And maybe SoFi can help you, especially if you're a believer in the company. I mean, if you're going to pay interest, like, you're going to pay it, might as well pay it to a company you're investing in for the long term. Again, not financial advice. You got to talk to someone who knows your personal financial situation, but that's one thing I would do, right? Me personally, I'm a person that likes to pay off their credit cards in full, to not pay any interest, because I just hate giving away free money. I'd rather invest that into like the stock market, right? But again, you can invest right now. They don't have options trading on SoFi, but you can buy stocks with them. And I have started nibbling into this. The reason why I haven't gone all in onto the investing is because I do wish they had options, right? And also, I don't think their options platform or their investing platform is as good as like Webull or like Robinhood, right? I feel like SoFi is still working on the investing portion, but for right now, I do have their credit card, you guys, and I love their credit card. Credit card is awesome. I think they're giving, I believe it's 2%, you guys. I'll put a link down below in case you guys want to sign up and help me out. It's a referral link. I get something, you get something. Oh, here's the credit card, you guys. I've been loving their credit cards. I actually do not have my wallet with me, but I do have their credit card. Maybe I should put it up on my phone, because I know I have it on Apple Pay. Let's see where it's at. And this right here is my SoFi credit card. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is my SoFi credit card right here. And I mean, I use their products, you guys. Their SoFi credit card gives you unlimited 2% cash back, which is amazing. And what I've been doing is that the 2%, I've been buying dividend stocks like Realty Income, because I love that one, or what is it, SOG, I believe, and Maine and Coke and all these other dividend stocks. I've been actually using SoFi as my dividend portfolio type of thing. So for me, that's what I've been using it. I'm going to be buying my dividend stocks on SoFi because I do want to keep supporting them. Right now, I have my dividend stocks on Robinhood, but I will be making the switch, right? Right now, I started with the banking, but I will be switching over. I do have their credit card, and I've been changing. Right now, I'm in the process of also changing like my Netflix subscriptions, my cable bill subscriptions over to to my SoFi credit card. It does take a while, and it's a big hassle to make the change. I know it is because I hate it right now, but I know after I'm gonna feel a lot better because I'm gonna be supporting a company that I'm going long on. Right, I'm supporting SoFi right now. They're going down a lot, and I mean, if you believe in this company, which I do, I think in the long term, people are gonna love it, especially younger generations. We all like to have everything in like one place, right? And like right now, this could have been a cup and handle. If you're a person that believes in technical analysis, like it's so, like you could start seeing these things, right? And like if it would have gone up, that would have been amazing, right? You could have bought, and but we know SPACs right now, they're not doing good. But anyway, you guys, this is my YouTube channel right here. I'm the Mysterious Investor, where I talk about what I'm buying, what I think about the market. I like to read the newsletters. Even though for the newsletters, you guys, I do kind of struggle a little bit to read, but make sure you guys check out those videos if you like them. Or if you like something like this, where I basically talk about stocks, I just like to ramble. Again, I only have one friend that invests in the market, so it's kind of lonely when you don't really know anybody in real life that invests. But this is a community where we just come talk. Hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see some more awesome videos. If you want me to go on more rants like this, I'll be sure to put more of these up.